Well, let's take a tour to the old foundation. Got some nice trees here on our place. That tree's probably every bit of 50 inches in diameter. Just a beautiful tree. Here's a big one that uprooted. I don't have nothing to pull these logs out. They're just huge. And oh, there's a neat spider. I don't know what kind of spider that is. Back out a little bit. He's up underneath that leaf. His web's right there. Almost walked through it. Okay. Anyway, got a little walk to do. I'm kind of cutting through the woods here. Another path. It's a little walk. Neat little mushrooms. I don't know what those are. Kind of pretty. Well, it's a nice little walk. The creek's down there below. Old foundation's back up in there. So we got a little ways to walk. We're gonna go by our old pond. Just beautiful. We're gonna come out up above our field. We're on the back 20 back here. It's gonna be neat. The old foundation is all that's left. All the wood's pretty much all rotted. We ain't did no excavating around it yet or anything. I got a metal detector, so I'm kind of curious what we find this fall. We gotta wait until the snakes hibernate, because I'm sure there's snakes in this old foundation. Boy, look at the deer tracks. Like a herd of deer been running through here. Even on this side. And the deer tracks. Like I say, we got trails about everywhere. We're almost to the old pond. I'm gonna get up on top of the hill. Here's our other spring. It's up here by the old foundation. Pretty nice. The reason I talk about the springs is because almost all of my neighbors, they have to haul water in. We're fortunate. We have a lot of water here. And this farmer, whoever settled this place, knew how necessity water was. I'm almost to the old pond now. We'll go down there and see if there's any more turtles or anything in there. We might rebuild this pond, but I have my sights on a new pond. I have a lot of stuff I'm gonna plan on doing here in the future. With some of these springs, I'm thinking about raising fish, so I can have raised catfish and stuff. I think I can do it with the elevation, so I can have oxygen as the water's gravity fed down. Then I'll have holding tanks for the fish. Probably great big old troughs. Oh, I hear frogs already. Oh, there's one something Ryan. I didn't see it. Oh, we'll get closer. I'm just looking, see if I see any turtles or anything. I don't see no big bullfrogs. I don't see any more turtles in here. Oh, I do see some fish. So there's a few fish still left in here. Well, I hope everyone has a wonderful day. I'm getting ready to head up the hill and show you this old foundation. It's pretty neat. Peace.